Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel Basic Homebaking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another special kakanin, the UBE BIKO de leche. UBE BIKO de leche is a Filipino favorite kakanin here in the Philippines because it is a combination of ube flavored biko and leche flan. This recipe is so simple and easy to make, and I know you're going to love it. The ingredients are, for the biko, 3 cups of malagkit or glutinous rice, 4 cups of water, and for the salted caramel, 4 cups of coconut milk, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. For the leche flan, 1/2 cup of white sugar for the caramel, 1 1/2 can of condensed milk, 1 cup of evaporated milk, and 5 eggs. This is for the leche flan. Okay, we're going to start mixing. Okay, we're going to start with the malagkit rice or the glutinous rice. I already washed the rice 2 times. This is 3 cups of malagkit rice. And then we're going to put water. And then we're going to cook this in a rice cooker. For the leche flan, we're going to add sugar and caramelize this over flour. Okay, we're going to mix the leche flan. First, crack 5 eggs. We're using whole eggs because the leche flan should not be soft because we're going to put the biko after. Add the evap. Then the condense. We're going to pour this one. We're going to put aluminum foil. We're going to cook this Banya Maria style. Bake this at 350 for an hour. For the coconut caramel sauce, add 4 cups of coconut milk, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the ube. Add ube extra. This is done. Look how sticky. So this is done. Now our leche flan is out of the oven, baked for 1.5 hours at 350. Then we're going to transfer our biko. We're going to bake this again for another 30 minutes. Our UBE BIKO de leche is out of the oven. Take 45 minutes. And then we let it cool. This is already cold. so pretty. So beautiful. Look. There you have it, my UBE BIKO de leche. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!